In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website. If you've been wanting to make some tweaks or add features to your site, stay tuned as I'll guide you through a seamless editing process. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website editor. To access it, you'll simply need to log into your Wix account. That takes you directly into your dashboard where you'll have the option to jump right into editing your site. Once inside the editor, you'll find a host of tools at your disposal designed to enhance and customize your website. Now that we're in, look over to the toolbar on your left and click on Add Elements. This is your go-to spot for bringing in everything from text boxes to buttons to interactive features that can engage your visitors. For example, if you want to add a new piece of text or a fresh button, this is the place to make that happen. It's a bit like having a nifty toolbox ready to uplift your site's design, giving you the flexibility to craft a tailored user experience. Once you're comfortable with individual elements, you might want to consider adding entire sections. To do this, navigate to the Add Section option. This feature lets you drop in pre-designed sections that can range from testimonials to contact forms, making it super easy to build a comprehensive and attractive page without starting from scratch. Many of these sections can be tailored further to fit your unique brand, offering layouts that look professional without needing a lot of heavy lifting on your part. Next, let's dive into organizing your pages by clicking on Site Pages and Menu. Here, you can adjust the flow and structure of your website's navigation, which is crucial for providing a user-friendly experience. You can add new pages, delete old ones, or rearrange the order to ensure your visitors find exactly what they're looking for with ease. This step helps maintain a coherent and intuitive navigation system. Design is a pivotal part of any site, and you can tweak the look by selecting Site Design. This section is a powerhouse for setting the visual tone of your website. Colors, fonts, and overall motifs can be refined here, reflecting your brand's story through aesthetics. Small changes in designs can significantly impact how visitors perceive your site. Once your design is on point, think about enhancing functionality through the Add Apps section. Whether you need to integrate booking systems, additional analytics, or customer management tools, this area allows you to bring on board those additional applications for boosting site performance and functionality. Lastly, the media section is where you can truly capture attention by incorporating images, videos, and other media elements. This not only elevates the visual aspect, but also engages visitors through storytelling and dynamic content. And there you have it, a complete overview of editing your Wix website. With each tool and option, you have the power to craft a site that's both beautiful and functional. Feel free to play around, experiment with different elements, and bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!